This huge mountain fell asleep, and time passed very fast. It first saw the age of dinosaurs and then the primitive age. What was once tall and majestic slowly wore down with time and became an ordinary stone. After the Ice Age, the world was once again filled with life. Suddenly, a noise woke it up, and when it opened its eyes, it saw a human cutting a tree standing on its head. After that human left, it wanted to sleep again. But many more humans came and started building their homes nearby. To sleep peacefully, it went deep into the forest and lay down in a deserted place. But just as it fell asleep, a rope was tied around its nose. In fact, humans had taken a liking to that stone, so it was dragged to a house and polished again and again until it became a millstone. Here, it experienced a morning to evening routine for the first time. No one knows how many times it was turned. Then war broke out. Some soldiers carried it away, crushed it with machines, and shaped it into a round stone. After that, it was loaded into a cannon. On the commander's order, it was fired like a shell. It destroyed the enemy ship, but then broke again and fell into the sea. With the waves, it kept drifting and finally reached the shore. Tired, it went to a quiet place and lay down using a glove as a pillow. But then an archaeologist picked it up because ancient fossils were found behind the stone. Fate changed again, and it was placed in a museum. The stone thought now it would finally get peaceful sleep, but a naughty child knocked hard on the glass, and the stone rolled back and fell into the cleaner's trash bin. Then it wandered and fell onto the road. A speeding car caught it in its gear, and while grinding it, became as small as a fingernail. It thought it would cover itself with paper and sleep, but then a road roller came and crushed it completely. Then a cleaning worker swept it up and brought it to the seashore. It thought now it would finally get rest, but then an excavation machine came and picked it up and put it into a furnace. In this way, it turned into glass, and humans installed it into a satellite and sent it into space. There, it collided with a meteor. Spinning, it fell onto another planet. Over time, the shape of that planet kept changing, and that stone once again became a huge mountain. Now it can sleep peacefully again for millions of years. Those who truly love their mother like and subscribe.